my light, my best friend. Years ago, I took a leap of faith by having you and I become an us, and it was the best decision I've ever made.
My life changed when I cracked my skull on the ice all those years ago in Detroit. I didn't know it yet, but I just embarrassed myself in front of my future wife.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, this incredible lake, the trees, the mountains. It begins at the trailhead. After all of your planning and preparations, you have both made the commitment to begin this journey together. From here, you can't see the whole route before you, all the twists and turns, but there is a clear path in front of you and you're ready to get started and take your first steps together.
Cassandra, we've made it. The next phase of our relationship begins today.
You've given me endless support, taught me confidence, and granted me worlds of compassion. You make me feel like I can accomplish anything.
Great.
Ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do it.
This is real. We go up in a helicopter.
Sweet. I promise to care for you from now until the end of my days. Whenever you're sad, sick, stuck, anything, I'll stick by your side and support you through all of your endeavors forever. I promise to be the best family member that I can be. We'll start as a family of two, but I will also promise to help raise any children that we may.
With you as my husband and me as your wife, I promise to comfort you when you're low, to be the summer sun to your winter.
Michael, do you take Cassandra to be your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do.
Cassandra, do you take Michael to be your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do.
With this ring, we forge a new path in our adventure together. I will always love you.
I always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
As we begin this new phase, I look forward to what the future holds. I love you endlessly and without condition, forever.
I promise to be faithful and loyal, always be in your corner cheering you on. You are my heart, my soulmate, my family, and my home. I love you so much.